Going to do a porta potty review here by a bridge that they're rebuilding here in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, right by the Moose Lodge. Moose Lodge is over here. It is a muddy mess over here. Let's go check this one out. This is a Parks portable toilets. Let's go inside here. Goldsboro, North Carolina. This is one with a huge urinal. It's kind of dark in here. Hope this comes out okay. Actually doesn't smell bad at all. Here's our vent. A big white top here. This thing backs up to a tractor trailer so you can't see out the back. We have, it's like 1 or 2 rolls of toilet paper, a wad of toilet paper on the floor. Actually doesn't smell bad. It is not really dirty in here, just a little toilet paper on the floor. No date when it was last cleaned. It's got a sliding door here. Looks like the door is kind of banged up because somebody could see you sitting in here if you were sitting in here. A little mildew. Let's take a look a little on the outside. Sitting right here beside this truck. Can't really get behind it. Sitting on skids. All in all, not too bad. Give that one a kind of a thumbs up. Right here by this new road construction and the Moose Lodge.